Sa ginanap na summit, nakilahok ang mahigit 20 participants mula sa Cotabato City upang makiisa sa pagpapalakas ng digital creatives sa Southeast Asia. Ginanap ang simultaneous na event mula sa iba't ibang bansa mula sa Southeast Asia na kinabibilangan ng Philippines, Taiwan, Vietnam, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia at Myanmar. Layo ng naturang summit ay mapalakas at masuportahan ang mga young digital creatives sa bansa.
So this opportunity is a good for Cotabato young creatives, no, to expand their idea, their knowledge, their potential, or their to explore their idea on producing digital goods. So this is this aims to create a network, a collaboration, young creative entrepreneurs, not just in Southeast Asia but also here in BARM. So this is a breakthrough initiative then from our place, connecting with the local creatives in Cotabato City, no, professional and aspiring. So we aim to create a network that bridges countries, not just Cotabato but across Southeast Asian regions. Cotabato City is one of the satellite venue for this event, and then we were able to gather around 500 young creatives across Southeast Asia, which includes nga yung Cotabato City.
Sa naganap na learning session, nagbahagi ang mga participants ng kani-kanilang mga ideya at karanasan sa digital industry. Isa si Ami Gani sa nakilahok na isang content creator mula sa Cotabato City. Buo ang suporta at nagpapasalamat din ito sa inisyatiba, pati na rin si Attorney Muhammad Haji Yusuf.
Personal na experience, no, as a content creator and a vlogger based in Cotabato City, masaya ako, no, to meet other digital creatives dito sa Cotabato City. So magandang avenue ito para ma-reinforce yung aming ginagawa, na kumbaga merong patutunguhan, may future, no, kasi before coming here, no, ang nasa isip ko lang is to keep on doing contents that are relevant, no, at related siya doon sa niche ko. Pero after listening doon sa iba't ibang speakers, especially yung mga keynote speakers, parang nagkaroon ng sort of motivation and inspiration na pwede talaga itong i-advance and i-upscale para magkaroon pa ng mas magandang impact, no? Hindi lamang sa sarili natin, kundi pati sa ating komunidad. Natutunan ko dito is, yun, pwede talaga siyang i-upscale. And kumbaga, actually, this is a passion-driven, kasi hindi naman agad-agad kumikita yung mga creators like especially small content creators. Pero nito, na-tackle dito na if our passion kaya nating i-turn into purpose, that purpose eventually will be converted into profit na din, no? And pwede ka rin talagang, pwede mo siyang gawing din, parang kasi this is creativepreneurship. Pwede mo siyang gawing parang negosyo na rin, no? At the same time, may magandang impact sa society.
And not only innovate but to promote, no, lalo na dito sa local area ng Bangsamoro. So I can say that napakaganda ito na step for us, not only for us but to all of the community who would love to participate in Impact Creativepreneurs, because ang pinoprovide lang dito is not only to become a content creators but also to visualize them through the use of the digital side, especially yung kung may skills tayo when we use, for example, becoming a vlogger, for example, bigger graphic designers. Now, in this area, in Bangsamoro as a local area, napakaganda nito kasi maraming kabataan ngayon na mahilig sila pumasok sa virtual space. Now, in this virtual space, it's better for them to give them information, education, at the same time being able for them to see that there is something not only there's something more than a virtual space can provide. Ano yun? For example, they can have the opportunity to land a job. They could improve themselves. they could also be scouted sa mga example from an international scouts, makakuha sila ng opportunity to become scholars or for scholarship. So I believe napakaganda ito na steps, and I really hope na hindi lang dito nagtatapos ang ating impact creativepreneurs. Sana ay marami pang sumunod pa na ganitong mga events. It's very good, the workshop 3, pinakita doon yung business model canvas. Although kind of lengthy siya, doon ko nalaman yung kung ano talagang gusto ko. So, anong gusto ko? So, I try to jot down, sinulat ko pa. Napaka-buti po ni Sir Dave kasi he gave me some insights on how to improve yung gusto ko doon sa business model canvas. And I thought I was really isolated on my end. And when I got a chance to talk and be with these amazing people dito sa ating event sa Impact Creativepreneurs, mas lalo kong nabigyan diin na marami pa pala akong kakaining information, makuha na thoughts sa ibang mga participants and also the facilitators. And yeah, it's really good kasi from that business model canvas, yun, especially highlight ko talaga yun, mas nag-expand yung possible ideas ko na to make my plans or my suggestion or my dream into reality.
Ang summit ay inisyatiba ng Young Southeast Asia Leaders Initiative na suportado ng US Department of State at YSELI Academy at Fulbright University Vietnam. Jubilin de la Cruz, iMinds, Philippines.